I pulled this little relic out of my aviation museum, and it is a first-class amenity kit from Pan Am. I have no idea what year this is from, but let's see what's inside. So I guess you got a sewing kit. So it's pretty cool. Labeled Pan Am. We got a little kit here. We have some Hermes Eau de Cologne. Nice. We have body lotion, also Hermes. Okay. We have a comb. It's nice. And what is this? We have a little, a mini toothbrush and a very small toothpaste. Very nice. And a nail file. So that is the contents of my old school Pan Am amenities kit from, I don't know, 80s, late 70s, I'd guess. I'm at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, and I'm so excited to see this airplane because this is the prototype 747, and check out all the old airline logos of all the first customers who had ordered the 747 before its delivery in 1968. What are these ceiling ports that you see on this Boeing 737 MAX? So those ports that you see in the ceiling are actually for the flight attendants to contact a medical assistance that Southwest subscribes to, which is actually based in Arizona, where they're connected with a medical doctor, emergency room trauma specialist, and the little headset jacks are for the flight attendant to speak through the aircraft radio with the trauma specialist doctor. Now, on other airplanes in the Southwest fleet, those are located in other locations, but on the MAX, if you sit in the exit row, you can actually see them. And that is your fun fact for the day. Thanks for watching. Depending on what an air carrier is doing under Part 121, it cannot be under domestic, flag, or supplemental rules. Domestic means that it is a scheduled operation all within the United States, the 48 contiguous states, or entirely within one state, territory, or U.S. possession. Flag, on the other hand, is also a scheduled operation, so they have a schedule from somewhere within the 48 contiguous U.S. to somewhere outside this area, or vice versa. So anything inside the continental United States to somewhere outside is a flag operation. Lastly, let's talk supplemental. This is not scheduled. This is negotiated with some customer. So it also could be an all cargo operation or public charter conducted under Part 380. And it's too deep to get into this video. Hey, if you are an airline passenger in the United States, I bet you did not know that you just lost 5 pounds today, because today is May 1st and the FAA allows airlines in Advisory Circular 120-27 to use summer clothing weights from May 1 till October 31, and that is 5 pounds less than the winter clothing weights. So most airlines use assumed weights, basically a set weight for all passengers, and effective on May 1, it is 5 pounds less, which means the dispatcher has more weight to work with, more fuel can be put on the aircraft, more baggage possibly, more company material or mail, but just heads up, you lost 5 pounds today if you flew on a flight in the United States, most likely.